Welcome to our channel. Today we how to upgrade your digital skills with General Assembly detailed guide step by step clearly. Begin by identifying your current digital skills and areas for improvement. Visit the General Assembly website to explore their range of courses. Browse through the categories to find topics that interest you. Review course descriptions to ensure they align with your learning goals. Check the schedules for available courses, including both online and in-person options. Consider enrolling in an introductory course if you're new to a subject. If you have prior experience, look for advanced or specialized courses to deepen your knowledge. Take advantage of the free resources available on their blog and webinars. Sign up for a selected course by creating an account and completing your registration. Gather necessary materials and prerequisites outlined for your chosen course. Set a consistent study schedule to keep up with course content. Engage with instructors and classmates by participating in discussions and group projects. Apply what you learn through practical assignments and real-world projects. Seek feedback on your work to identify areas for improvement. Utilize the networking opportunities provided by General Assembly to connect with professionals. After completing the course, update your resume and LinkedIn profile with your new skills. Consider additional courses or workshops to continue advancing your digital skills. Stay informed about the latest trends in your field to keep your skills relevant. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.